Have you been searching for a perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring in machine gray metallic with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touch screen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 63218.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.